Sceptre monitor flickering is a widespread issue affecting 15 to 20% of users within their first 2 years of ownership, particularly with newer high refresh rate and ultra-wide models. Monitor flickering manifests as rapid brightness variations, screen flashing, or intermittent display interruptions that disrupt the viewing experience. Hardware-related flickering often stems from faulty cable connections, inadequate power supply, aging backlight components, or graphics card compatibility issues. Using certified high-speed cables is essential. Software-related flickering typically involves incorrect refresh rate settings, outdated display drivers, incompatible resolution configurations, or Windows display scaling conflicts. To address Sceptre monitor flickering, start by checking cable connections and ensuring they are secure. Verify your graphics card supports the monitor's refresh rate and resolution. Then, adjust display settings to match the monitor's native specifications. Following these systematic steps resolves the majority of Sceptre monitor flickering issues, with cable replacement alone solving 40% of reported cases. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced solutions become necessary. Modern Sceptre monitors benefit from regular firmware updates that specifically target flickering issues. Newer Sceptre models featuring USB-C connectivity demonstrate significantly reduced flickering incidents. This improvement stems from enhanced power delivery and superior signal integrity compared to traditional connections. Artificial intelligence tools now offer automated flickering detection and diagnosis. These third-party solutions achieve 85% accuracy in identifying common issues and suggesting appropriate fixes. Proactive maintenance significantly reduces flickering incidents. Key prevention measures include monthly driver updates, cable inspections every 2 to 3 years, and maintaining proper ventilation around your monitor. Technical experts have identified the most effective solutions through statistical analysis. Cable replacement resolves 40% of flickering cases, refresh rate adjustments resolve 25%, and driver updates resolve 20% of issues. Sceptre's technical support has developed a systematic troubleshooting protocol that resolves 90% of flickering issues. This approach emphasizes cable testing, firmware verification, driver compatibility checks, and power supply assessment.